Hey, what's up, Amazon KDP booksellers? Check this out. We're back at Toolshelf.app. And another tool I added because, well, I thought it's useful, AI Text Detector. Now, why? Because if you're creating a book via AI, like, for example, a storybook or a nonfiction book, then you want to make sure it doesn't sound too robotic. Okay. So, for example, for example, I had ChatGPT create a little short story about a guy named Gum. Okay. And I'm going to drop it in here, analyze text, and it says mixed signal. So it's over 53%. So it's more on the AI side, which is correct, but it's mixed signals. It's not that bad. Okay. So I definitely would publish this. If it says flat out AI, then don't, right? Obviously, it means it sounds too robotic, sounds too manufactured. But it's a cool little tool. It's an easy way to find out if you should publish your book or not. Drop in the chapters. Don't drop in the whole entire book. Maybe I'm not sure if you can. Try it out. But what I do is I just drop in sections, chapters of the book in here, pages of the book in here, and I want to check out little by little if it sounds AI or not, right? So if it says most likely human, that's good. If it says human, that's good. If it says mixed signals, that's still good. But if it's flat out AI, then you should revisit your text and make sure it works and it's copacetic with Amazon KDP, right? You don't want to add something that your user base is going to dislike and leave negative comments. You definitely don't want that on your Amazon book listing. Okay. So don't forget you can share this tool, let people know about it. You can like and subscribe. And also, if you want some different features and tools within Tool Shelf, let me know and I'll see if I can add them. Be good, take care, and have a great day.